What if I told you today you could start selling digital products online today and make over $3,000 every single month with no inventory, no shipping, no experience needed? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how, step by step. Let's get into it. My name is Bright and welcome to Liquid Money, where I teach beginners how to make money online with digital products. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to start selling digital products online from scratch, even though you have never done it before. What are digital products? A digital product is something that you create once and sell unlimited times online. No shipping, no inventory, no physical products. Examples include planners, templates, ebooks, courses, and prompt packs. You create it once and it makes money for you while you are asleep. Why digital products are perfect? Let me show you exactly why digital products are perfect. As you can see, look at it, benefit and explanation. Here you see no shipping, delivered instant online, no inventory, create once and sell unlimited. Low cost, free tools like Canva and Claude AI. This is where I am going to teach you what I know best. I can teach you so that you can start making money online. This place you can use is digital products, something that you can use a free tool start making your money. Canva and Cloud AI, ChatGPT, three of them combined together, you can start making your digital product and start making massive income online. You are not going to pay any dime on it. Second to the last one, say global reach. Sell anywhere in the world. You can create something that you can stay in your house and create a digital product and you sell it worldwide, globally. The last one is passive income. It's something that you, after creating it, you launch it and you will be sleeping, the thing will start generating income for you. This is amazing. So digital products is something that you can use free tools and start and create it and launch it online. Anybody around the world can buy it without knowing who you are. That is the digital product for you. And I have 5 free platforms I can show you if you stay to the end of this video that you can promote your product without spending any time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 videos every week so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. Let's go. So this is Cloud AI. As you can see, welcome Bright. Cloud AI is going to generate this digital product for you. So first thing, if you want to start your digital product, is to select what to sell. Okay. Then after selecting it, you just bring a prompt, give Cloud AI to write for you. In this tutorial, so I'm going to paste a plan, tell Cloud AI what I want it to do for me. So major thing, if you really want to improve in digital product or anything concerned AI, is how you table your prompts, exactly what you want. Table your prompt like that so that AI can understand you very well and give you what you want. Now, I am going to paste this. Look at it. Create a complete content creator planner for me. So I have dropped this prompt to Cloud AI to create this complete content creator planner. So let's see what Cloud AI is going to give us. So I click. Cloud AI is thinking, is working on it. This is something that I would have been thinking throughout the day how to create it, but Cloud AI is going to do it for us within some seconds. Wow. Are you seeing? Wow, this is so amazing. Creator OS, dashboard, calendar, ideas, analytics, and goals. As you can see, upcoming posts, everything is down. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, blog, and all the rest of them. Right now, we are going to download this, then put it in Canva and design it. We'll come to this place, we'll download. I download, look at it. Is done. So follow me step by step. Thank you. So this is Canva. See my previous work. I'm going to bring what we downloaded to this place. Let me go to file. It's downloading. Look at it. Wow. Let me zoom it for you. Cloud AI is doing amazing work. Content ideas, content calendar, goals and milestones. It's session by session for us. As you can see, daily schedule. Content performance is so good. Video I posted, I still talk about this. So we are going to do it section by sections. Okay, we are going to pick one of this section. Let's pick content planner. Now I am going to explain some certain things for you. As you can see, you will see a ruler signs here. So In case if you want to start your project, make sure that you add all this line so that your work will be on a straight line, because nobody will like to buy something that is not in a straight line, something that's not well arranged. So nobody is going to buy it from you. Okay, so you just bring this ruler here. You bring this one here. You come up and bring this one here. Then you also bring this one here. So these are rulers. Okay, how can you get these rulers? Understand? Come to file, you come to settings, you look at it here. Maybe if you open your own Canva, you may see it in one of all these ones. Bring it here and save it. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you before we start, in case if you want to do your project, you don't like the white background, you want to use another background, click anywhere around this project. Understand? It will pop out this for you. What you have to do, just to click there. As you can see, it will bring any different colors for you that you can choose and design your project. Okay, the next thing, you come to text, you click text and delete this content. You stretch it, bring it up here. You come to position. Okay, it's at the center already. Next thing, we are going to write learn smarter, get better. What you have to do is to duplicate this, bring it down, you delete. Also stretch it, we stretch it, you minimize it, bring it up here. The next thing we are going to write now is content title. Okay, duplicate this one, we'll bring it here. Next thing we need now, we need line. Come to alignment, you type line, look at it here, you click. This line is thick, we are going to reduce it. Okay, what you have to do is come to this place. As you can see, it's 4, so we are going to use 2. Let's use 2. We'll bring it here, stretch the line. The next thing we are going to do now is platform. Come to this place, we duplicate. We'll duplicate the line, you bring the line here. So the next thing we are going to put down is content type. You duplicate, you bring it down. Okay. Next thing we are going to put down is video, shorts, post, story, and other. So I'm just making this, telling you so that this video will not be too long. So I'm going to fast forward some certain things. Okay. So that's the reason why anyone who want to put down, I will tell you first. Okay. So that you will copy it. So I need a box. Alignment. Yes, I'll make use of this box. Minimize it. Then I bring it here. Type video. Video. Give gap 1, 2, 3. Shift it. Then duplicate the box. Okay. Let's duplicate this box 4 to 5 places. We put this box here. Bring it here. We need line. Just come here. Duplicate this one. Then you bring it here. Next thing we are going to put down is key points. Okay, you type key points, come to position, then position it at the center. We are going to create a box. Inside that box, we are going to also give it lines. Bring this box down, minimize it, then bring it here. Duplicate the box, highlight all. Come to position, you come to this place, position it very well. Thank you. So we'll need a line. We'll come here just to duplicate from here. So let's zoom it. Highlight these lines, this 5 line, highlight it. You come to position and adjust it very well, as you can see. Let's use this. You minimize it. We bring it here. Let's make use of this tape. Use of this tape. Come to transparency, you reduce it. Okay, just lighten it very well. You bring this here. Let's use this. You turn it and bring it down here. Keep it there and duplicate. Then you bring it here. You bring the solar tape. You stretch the solar tape, stretch it very well. Transparent. You reduce it, bring it up here. Nice one. You click this flower, stretch it, just like this. You come to position. See this black, send to back. Click it. You now send this flower back, okay? You now reduce it, send it back so that it will not be visible. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So this is how to create a digital product. Please, if you love my video, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified. I drop my videos 3 times a week, so you will not like to miss any of my videos. So this is how to create content planner on also digital product. As you can see, the work is very, very neat. Cloud AI, let me show you something. Cloud AI doing this part by part, just created one. If you watch my previous video, look at the one that I created on my previous videos. So see the first one. So we are taking it one after the other. As you can see, this is complete bundles, okay? When you create the complete bundle just like this, so what you have to do is package all in one bundle. Take it to Gumroad and launch it. I'll show you how you can export it. You just come to share. You click share, you come to download, you come to this place, you click. As you can see, please do not export it in any other way except PDF print so that anybody out there can buy. After they buy it, they print it out, okay? Click PDF print and save it as PDF print and export it, okay? Right now, I am going to show you a wonderful platform where you can launch your product, okay? Just come to Gumroad. This is Gumroad. If you don't have account in Gumroad, just use your email and register. Fill the necessary thing. They will ask you about your full details, your bank account. You fill them, okay? It's not hard. But if you want me to make a video on how to set it up, please drop the comments in my comment section, okay? I will do a video how you can set it up from the beginning to the end. As I said, I don't want this video to be too long, okay? So this is the platform where you can launch your product. It's not only this one. We have Etisel, we have Seller, many of them out there that you can launch your products, but you can still use the amazing part of it that you can still use one product and launch it in different platforms, okay? Now let me show you something. If you see this product, let me show you. Okay, this is the product I launched. As you can see, content creator planner. Okay, my brand liquid money. Look at the price I set these products. Okay, I set these products at the price of $15. Okay, are you seeing it? So I want to really explain to you, if you can sell $15, you sell like up to 5 products in a day, times 15 times 5 products in a day, and you times it in 1 week, and you know how much you realize, and you check it in 1 month, you will see that you are making marvelous money for yourself. And not only that, if you have a platforms where you can promote your video. I told you that if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you free platform and strategy how you can promote your video. Now, if you want to promote your video free without spending a dime, there is a way that you can promote your product through the already platform you already have in your phone. You are using TikTok, you are using Facebook, you are using YouTube, you are using Instagram, you are using Twitter, and all the rest. Pinterest. These are the beautiful platforms where you can promote your product. Click your URL. After launch it, you come here, copy your URL. You copy it and take it to your platform, okay? You can take it to your Facebook. Immediately you copy it, paste there, everything about your product. When people come there, click on it, it will carry them to your Gumroad account and they will buy the product for you, okay? If you do all this in all the platforms you have, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and all the rest, make sure your link is all in your platform. Watch out what will happen. You will start making massive money. Within 2, 3 days, 5 days, you will call me and chat me, say, tell me thank you. Okay? This is how it works. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Shalom.